Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a TradingView widget in 2026. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. When you log into your account, you are going to see these types of tabs here on the top. So among these tabs, you just have to hover over to the top, then hover to the more option. Now in the more, hover to the for businesses option. In the for businesses option, the first option would be of all widgets. So here when you click on the option of all widgets, it is going to show you various types of widgets options in front of you. So when you scroll down a bit, you are going to see that they have advanced chart widget. Then we have the symbol overview widget, mini chart, and bunch of other watch list related widgets as well. So you just have to select which widget you want to get. So in order to get any of the widgets here, for example, let's say I want to get the widget of stock market. So you need to click on the option of get widget. After clicking on it, the widget preview is going to look something like this. So here you just have to scroll down, and now it is going to give you the code which you just have to basically copy from here, then paste it in that particular website of yours where you want to add it as a widget. Before basically copying it, you can just simply make changes into it by using these settings here in the right hand side. So here you can change the size, you can select the container size, and you can also make changes into the ticker here by clicking on this drop down menu. You can select the exchange. After that, you can select the location, the theme as well. If for any reason, if you want to reset the settings, you can click on the option of reset. If you want to apply the changes, click on the option of apply. So when you are done editing, or even without editing, you just have to copy this particular code from here, and you need to embed this code on your website in order to add TradingView widgets in it. So this way you will be able to add TradingView widget. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.